Wagwan squad, I am back and my hair is looking dry as all hell and in definite need of a pick-me-up, so I decided to try this DIY hair mask only because my avocado is going bad and y'all know I love me some pears. Anyways, let's get into the video. So for this DIY hair mask, I'm using avocado, coconut milk, and grapeseed oil, and I'm just gonna blend that all together in a smoothie-like consistency. I'm starting off with freshly shampooed hair so that I can get the full benefits of the hair mask, and you can also check the description box to find out as to why I chose these ingredients. I don't really have to explain the application of the hair mask onto my hair, but I hate the awkward silence doing a video, so I just section my hair and apply it onto each strand and then just twist it up into the section. After I am done, I just pin it out of the way and let it sit on my hair for about 20 minutes and follow it up with, oh, bless you. And I follow with a conditioner to rinse it out of my hair. So I'm fresh out of the shower and started to inspect my hair to see how different it feels from when I use like a normal conditioner. Other than the elasticity being there and it feels very strong, I think the mask did its job. So that's it for the video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to bust a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!